2018 Jaguar E PACE. For those wanting a slightly sportier look and feel, the E PACE are dynamic. From $52,550. Adds a body kit, an aerodynamic steering wheel with paddle shifters, mesh sports seats with contrast stitching, front fog lights, satin chrome side vents, gloss black grille, bright metal pedals, and ebony headlining. The entry-level E PACE and E PACE are dynamic are available with the 110 kW/380 Nm D 150 feet 2.0 liter diesel, the 132 kW/430 Nm D 180 2.0 liter diesel from $50,150, or the 183 kW/365 Nm P 250 feet 2.0 liter petrol from $50,150. There's also dual zone climate control, rear air vents, torque vectoring by braking, an electric parking brake, push button start, a 5.0-inch driver's display, along with automatic headlights and wipers. Extra kit includes LED headlights with signature LED daytime running lights, 18-inch 9-spoke alloy wheels, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, auto-dimming door mirrors with approach lights, grained leather seats with 10-way power adjustable front pews, Navigation Pro for the 10-inch touchscreen, along with the Park Pack, consisting of surround parking sensors and rear cross traffic alert. There's also the Connect Pro Pack, which adds app-based infotainment services as well as a Wi-Fi hotspot. The E PACE S offers the aforementioned engine options available on the base car, along with a peppier 177 kW/500 Nm D 240 feet 2.0 liter diesel from $64,020, along with the 221 kW/441 Nm P 300 feet 2.0 liter petrol from $64,020. Features on top of the SE grade includes 20-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels, a gesture function for the powered tailgate, keyless entry, perforated Windsor leather seats with 18-way electric adjustment and memory function, and a 12.3-inch digital driver's display. Safety features: anti-lock brakes. ABS brakes automatically sense when a tire has stopped rotating under extreme braking and will modulate the brake pressure to allow the tire to rotate. This increases the vehicle's ability to turn while braking. Stability control automatically senses when the vehicle's handling limits have been exceeded and reduces engine power and/or applies select brakes to help prevent the driver from losing control of the vehicle. Front impact airbags for the driver and passenger have been designed to protect the head during a frontal crash. Side impact airbags for the front seats have been designed to protect the torso during a side impact collision. Overhead airbags are used to protect the occupants' heads in the event of a side collision or other. Seatbelt pretensioners automatically tighten seatbelts to place the occupant in the optimal seating position during a collision. Security system: the vehicle is equipped with a means of anticipating and/or detecting unwanted vehicle intrusion. The vehicle is equipped with an ignition disable device that will prevent the engine from starting if the correct original manufacturer key is not used.